Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We are actually playing Seaport Middle School. Today, we are gonna be doing a fire alarm test. And this is gonna be epic. Because I know this game is epic. And I know these fire alarms are epic. So then, we'll just get right into this game. Let's see if there's servers in here. No servers found. Alright, I guess we're doing it by ourselves. I can actually tell the creator of the game, recording, you can, alright, I sent a message to his team. Alright. I look absolutely ridiculous, I know. Oh my god. Is this like Loot Lake or something? Because I want to swim in it. Alright. You're probably gonna disable it. Excuse me. Alright. Get rid of all these voice stuff. Alright. Options. And then fire alarm. There we go. Alright. The fire alarms are actually going off. And this is not a good idea because look at the fire alarms are killing me right now. They're killing me. Look at this. What if you were in here and then you just experience a fire alarm and start going really Alright. Oh, this would be cool, man. Alright. So this would be cool. I'm telling the creator of the game this. What if you enabled the fire alarms, then they went off, then the speakers say, there has been a pulled fire alarm, and like that stuff? Yeah, that would be cool. Not just the fire alarms. Fire alarms and the speakers. That would be cool. Have all the trophies of the rewarded epic games. Get it, epic games. Oh my goodness. I pulled the fire alarm. Look, I pulled the fire alarm and the fire alarms are going off. I'm going in the gym right now. Why, dude? Do that. Why did you have to disable the fire alarm? Why I was doing a video. You left? Really? Normal, look. Option 2 fire alarm. Nobody's gonna mess with that, right? Alright, got the big Christmas tree over here. We got the Christmas tree. Look, I'm on top of it. I'm the star, actually. Stay in school. Don't ditch school, because if you're on your phone power school, you're gonna be like, oh, I missed 20 periods. I'm done. then your principal is gonna call your mom, whatever, and your mom's gonna ground you and not play any video games like this Roblox. Ha, 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 boy. If these fire alarms can go off, I'm gonna jump off this building if these things don't go off. Wow, they did go off. At the big stairwell. Also, we have, I don't know what this is, but looks pretty nice. Oh, I don't know what this is, but it's kind of cool. Look. Yes. Whoa. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my God. You know what? Oh, he's installing new of these metal ones too. So that can be all